Intermittent fasting is more than just skipping meals. It's about nourishing your body during your eating window to maximize weight loss and maintain energy. In this video, I'll share the best meal ideas that not only help with fat loss, but also keep you feeling satisfied and energized. Let's dive in. Start your eating window with balanced meals. Think of the plate as a mix of three key components. Protein. This is crucial for fat loss and muscle retention. Include options like grilled chicken, salmon, eggs, tofu, or lentils. Healthy fats. Fats keep you fuller for longer. Avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds are fantastic choices. Complex carbs. Go for carbs that digest slowly, like quinoa, sweet potatoes, or brown rice. Pairing these three components will give you sustained energy throughout your fasting period. Need something to keep hunger at bay during your eating window? Stick to nutrient-dense snacks. Greek yogurt with berries. A protein-packed snack with antioxidants. A handful of nuts. Great for healthy fats. Hummus and veggie sticks. Perfect for fiber and crunch. These options prevent blood sugar spikes and keep cravings in check. Don't underestimate the power of hydration. During your eating window, stick to water with lemon or cucumber for hydration. Green tea or black coffee to boost metabolism. Avoid sugary drinks. They can derail your progress. Here are a few meal combos you can try. Breakfast, an omelet with spinach, avocado, and a side of whole grain toast. Lunch, grilled salmon, quinoa, and roasted vegetables. Dinner, a chicken stir-fry with broccoli, peppers, and sesame oil. Batch prepping these meals in advance can make sticking to your plan even easier. Intermittent fasting doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. With the right foods, you'll feel full, energized, and on track toward your weight loss goals. Let me know in the comments. What's your go-to meal while intermittent fasting? If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on healthy living. See you next time.